Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you this warm summer nights inspired bronze eye look, and it's just all bronze and gold inspired, and then I added a nude pink lip that I think looks really good with it. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Please subscribe before you leave, and let's just get started. Okay, so I'm gonna first start out by using my e.l.f. Putty Eye Primer. It's been a long time since I've done a talk through makeup tutorial. I'm going to use my my Morphe M421 palette. This is really old, but it's got good colors in it, and it's the only colors I have like this. So I'm going to be using my Real Techniques shading brush and this cream color right here, and I'm going to set my brow bone. I just like to set down my brow bone so that my shadows don't get all up next to my eyebrow, because that would just not look cute. So I'm gonna use this like yellow orangey warm color right here with my Morphe JH32 brush. I'm just gonna kind of blend that in my whole crease, not really keeping it anywhere specific. Oh, maybe I should zoom you guys in. Or zoom it all the way up so you can see. And then I'll focus it. I'm basically using a camera, like a photo camera for this, and not a video one, so it's not the best. So I have to use a little, I have to focus it myself every time I zoom somewhere. Palette doesn't want to open, but yeah, the world is just going nuts right now. I wish summer was actually working at this point. I just want fall to come because I have so much fall looks that I know I want to do, and I'm really excited for like Halloween and stuff. So at this point, I'm just like, I guess summer's ruined, so we might as well just move it into fall. I'm going to use my e.l.f. Molten Liquid Eyeshadow. This is so old. In the shade Liquid Gold. There's like nothing left, but it's the only like eyeshadow, like liquid eyeshadow that I have. The other liquid things I have are all have glitter in them, and I'm not really trying to do glitter. I'm just trying to lay down like an eyeshadow base of gold. And before that dries, I'm going to use this bronze eyeshadow right here. It's kind of like a cool toned bronze eyeshadow. I don't really know how to explain it, but it's the only shadow I have like this, and it's really pretty. So I'm going to pack it out on that outer corner first to deepen that up. And I set down a base because I want the gold to kind of pop through this eyeshadow a little bit, so I don't want it to really cover it up exactly. I just want some bronziness, of course, but I want a little bit of gold to show through. So I'm basically just like adding this out where on the outer corners for the most part, and then on the actual lid I'm not really putting that much. And then I'm gonna take a little bit more of this like orangey eyeshadow and blend that in my crease again. And then just go back in with some of this lighter color and make sure that it's not being just help blend it out a little bit more. And then I'm just gonna clean up underneath, and I don't really want to make a sharp, crisp line. I don't always like to do that, so I'll kind of go from the end of my eyebrow and go in like a circle, so that way I don't cover up the nice like circle that we have made, but we still I can still clean up underneath here and stuff for face makeup. So now I'm going to do my face makeup. I did a foundation routine video, and I will link it in the IO and down below if you guys want to go check that out. So I recently started using this. Everyone loves this stuff so much, and for some reason I never bought it, but now I love this stuff. The Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. It smells like summer. I love it. So I'm using this big brush, and I'm just gonna bronze up my face with it. Ah! And then I'm gonna contour with this cute little gold chocolate palette. This is the I Heart Revolution Bronze and Glow Duo Powder. I don't use the highlighter, it's too dark for me, but I love this contour. It has the slightest hint of chocolate smell in it. It's so good. Blush, I don't really want that much of like a bright blush. I just want something, I just want it to look mostly bronzy and highlighted. So I'm going to be using this Milani blush in Baked Powder Blush in Berry Amore, and it is a gorgeous blush. It's got like gold reflex in it, and it's just like a really light, almost like a bronzer blush. It's not really that like bright and pink, so I really like it. And it's got little gold reflex in it, but it's not like overly shiny. It's really good. I love it. And it's perfect for this look because we're doing a bronzy gold look. And I'm going to be using this Makeup Revolution highlighter palette. I don't really know what it's called. I'm going to be using this gold and a little bit of this white because the gold on its own will be a little bit too dark for my skin tone. So I'm going to mix the two. I'm going to take some of the white and then some of the gold, and then just kind of mix those up together. Huh? What are you doing?
Grab my wheat thins.
Your wheat thins?
My wheat thins.
Wheat thins? He's grabbing his wheat thins. I love that man. We're finally gonna get married next year, hopefully, if coronavirus is gone. I'm gonna just highlight my whole face with it. He interrupted me with his wheat ends. And then I'm going to take my finger and just get a mixture of those and put it up on my, what's this, upper lip area. I'm going to take this little Morphe JH42 brush. It's so tiny. And I'm going to take my highlighter palette again and I'm going to mix these two. I'm going to mostly use the gold. And then I'm going to apply this in the inner corner of my eye, which is why we didn't set the inner corner. I'm going to apply that in there, and then I'm also going to put some on my brow bone. And that, I feel like, just completes the whole look with the highlight. I'm gonna be doing my, adding white in my waterline. I would use a nude pencil, but I don't have one anymore because I ran out. So I'm gonna be using this NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the shade Milk. And put that in my waterline. I'm going to be curling my lashes with my e.l.f. eyelash curler. I really need to like look at different eyelash colors, but this one works, so I don't really am worried about it that much. My Essence Lash Princess mascara. Okay, so I'm gonna be doing my lips now. I just filmed it and then I had to wipe it off because I forgot to zoom out. I'm gonna use my Covergirl cream lipstick in the shade Honey Bloom, and it's a really pretty pink nude. And then I'm going to use my NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Creme Brulee on top. And I feel like a glossy pink lip looks really good with this gold eyeshadow. Maybe that's just me. Maybe it looks horrible. I don't think so. Got crazy hair. And then I love, my little trick is to curl my lashes after I apply my mascara, because it, as long as you're careful, it doesn't bother anything, and it makes the lashes look a lot more full again after you have applied the mascara. You just have to do it really slowly so that you don't like pull out your eyelashes. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.